Hey guys, what's up? My name's Hope. I go by Rex Riches Resale here on YouTube and other social media platforms. Today I'm going to share with you my sales over the weekend because I've got to ship them out ASAP. I had some pretty good sales and I just thought I would show you. Anyways, I just woke up, so good morning. And this is this is what you get. Alright, I'm going to blow my nose and be right back. Okay, bye. There isn't enough Kleenex in the world to combat the allergies from people mowing their yards. It's that season again. I'm so sorry if it's too much lighting. There's no point in me putting on makeup because my nose is red and my tail is cold. Hockey at you. I cannot stop blowing my nose. I always know when it's springtime. The dander flies. I just want to yell out the window, stop mowing your grass. I can't breathe. I'm on singular, but alright, let me decongest as best I can and I'll be back to show you guys what sold this weekend. Okay, the first thing that sold was this Lily Pulitzer Lila dress. This sold for $55 and in like a week or two. So, and it's a medium. And my cost of goods on this was $0 because a wonderful angel sent me a box and that dress was in it. And she knows who she is and she's very loved and I thank you greatly. Next thing is this Bowden. This is called the Flory dress. It's a navy sheath dress, like a jersey with pockets. New tag. This came in my box from NWOT Outlet. This sold for $57. My cost of goods on that box after they refunded me $100 and something back for the 10 items that were under what they were supposed to be. Ended up being around $3-ish. So my profit on that after Posh fees was $40.58. Then this sold so fast in 2 days. This is the Lulu's Easy something, Easy Summer, Easy Halter. I don't remember. It's just a white, it's like laser cut eyelets, you see? And it's new tag. It did have a couple little spots on it, but this sold for full price, $27. Yeah, my cost of goods on that dress was also $0 because it was part of the box of dresses from that angel. Okay, next thing I sold. So yeah, my profit was $20 on that Lulu's dress. And it was an extra small and it sold so fast. So, I'm just saying. This is Lem Lem. This is the Darrow Stripe jumpsuit. I had this listed for $72. I got an offer for $50. My cost of goods was $5 on that haul. This is just a cotton jumpsuit. Hopefully you can see. It's like pink. Those lights. It's the window, actually. That's what it is. But it only lights up this side, so I have to have a light over here. So this, after fees, my profit's $35 on that. Next is this Brooks Brother Regent Polo. My cost of goods was like $1 on this, if that. This is probably not that heavy. It's probably like 8 ounces. So, and it's $1.79 per pound at my bins, and then I always get 10% off. So this sold really fast. I listed for $25. I got an offer for $15. Since my cost was only $1, my profit's $11. Super fast. And I'm happy with that. Excuse me. And I'm also going to throw this one in. The buyer doesn't know that, but this one has a few spots. But since they're the same, I didn't list this one. I'm just going to include it as like a free gift. Like, here you go. I don't want to store this and it's got stains and it's not going to sell. Alright, next is these Viore, I cannot say it, gray ripstop climber pants. In a large, I sold these for $33. My cost of goods was about $1 at the bin, so my profit is $25.40. So, and those sold really quick, like a week. the men's Lululemon that I hauled in my designer at the bins, I'll leave that video linked. I sold one of the I think the joggers for 80 and the hoodie for 40 or 50, or the Lululemon jacket. Those sold so fast. Okay, this is Eileen Fisher. Another good sale. This is size large. This sold for $45. That was offer sent to me. My cost of goods was right about probably $1.50. This doesn't weigh a pound, but it's probably pretty close. So my profit is $35.50 on this Eileen Fisher cardigan. All of these sales are on Poshmark. I do have a few auctions going on right now on eBay for like some of the men's designer stuff, and I have like 10 bids on a jacket right now, and it's at $70, so we'll see. So maybe next time I do this, I'll have some eBay sales to share. I did also sell a purse on Vestiaire Collective Friday for $1,600, so it was my purse, and it was a Louis Vuitton, and when you gotta pay bills, you don't need a luxury handbag, but I did sell it. So anyways, these are Prada. I got these are size 8. These sold for $80. These Prada shoes. I got these at Clothes Mentor during one of their sales, and I had traded in clothes, so technically it was credit, so my profit on those is $64. Next is this NWOT William Rast, which is Justin Timberlake's. I don't even think he owns it anymore. Maybe he does, not sure. But it's just little lilac. See that floral print? Really cute little daisies. This shirt sold for $26. Full price sale. So my earnings were $20.80 on this. That's crazy, right? An extra small William Rast, and it was a shirt, and it sold for $20. I listed for $26, and that's what it sold for. It's been listed a while, but this was another full price sale, extra small Maeve Anthropology. There's the tag. Oh my gosh, please pick it up. Maeve Anthropology. Also, look at my knuckles. Those are burns from the oven. And this was retailed for $138. I had it listed for $48, and it was a full price sale. I got this from ThredUp a long time ago. I feel like it was a long time ago. And then my cost of goods was $8. I had put together like a ThredUp order, and that was my average cost. And so my profit was $30. These last two items, I got at the bins, but you haven't seen this haul yet. I'm technically getting ready to film it today. But these sold so fast. Like I'm trying to list all my stuff before my video goes live, and that stuff sells, and then I'm like, ah! And it just puts pressure on me to hurry and get it filmed. But this is called See the Way I See. You see that tag? See the Way I See. This is a 2X. This is a bolo, okay? This sold it overnight, literally overnight. I don't know if it's because it's a 2X or what, but this is a brand created by a woman, a girl. She's young. And that says breathe in. Or, yeah, this side says breathe in, and it's embroidered, breathe in. And this side says breathe out on your sleeves, and then it says overthinker in like this fun retro cursive. This sold, I listed it for $50. They retail for $70. I listed it for $50 because I looked at comps and was like, wow. Wow. I just knew the quality on this is so good. But yeah, this is like a startup brand by someone, and it's really popular. All their stuff on the site is like sold out. So it sold for $40 overnight, and I got that at the bins. Cost of goods was probably about $1.79 on that, so again, $30 profit. And then The other thing I got at the bins was this Ralph Lauren, I know, it's a denim maxi. I'm gonna have to give these honorable mentions in my bins haul, unless I get it filmed today, but I really want to get this stuff out. This is Ralph Lauren patch. It's a size 10 vintage though. It measured, well, size 12. It's a size 12. I listed it as a 10 because when I did measurements, yeah. So ideally I would be able to get way more than I got for this, but there are purple, I don't know what it is. I watched it 3 times and there's like purple, it almost is like an ink. Yeah, I don't know. It's really light. Like you can't notice it a ton. Wait, maybe you can right here. Can you see the purplish hue? I took pictures of it everywhere I seen it. I tried 3 times to get it out. I could not. I still listed it for $45 and I got an offer for $29. And because and this was like overnight, like 2 days max. So I accepted that offer and my profit, that was about $1.79, $22 profit on, it's flawed. I mean, that ink ain't coming out, whatever it is. It's like a purple. So, color bleed. So anyways, that's what's going out. I will add up my total sales and put it on the screen here. And thank you so much for watching. I know this is like a weird kind of video, but like, because I burnt my knuckles, I can't sit there and do a ship with me. I gotta just, yeah. It hurts too bad, so. Anyways, I know this is like a random video, but I hope to do more. This is like easier for me than like, yeah, editing like a full what sold video. So if you enjoyed this, and it's faster than shipping everything out on camera. So that's what I sold. If you enjoy, hit the thumbs up. I can do this. It's just like when I only have a couple sales a day, maybe I should collect the footage. I know some people do that. And then just put it out once a week. But this was just this Friday or Saturday and Sunday. So thumbs up for that. All right, that's it. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.